Good morning to all of you. Myself Neeraj Kumar Sir, English teacher from St. Joseph Academy, Sarai Bucks affiliated plus 2. Okay. Now I am talking about today. So that's you know very well that today is English Day. So first I am talking about the William Shakespeare, and you can say he is the greatest speaker and greatest knowledgeable person of the world. And I am talking about that person. So that person is a very good. And next I am talking about speech for today. Lots of students celebrated this occasion and we are also available in our auditorium. So first I would like to call Diksha Srivastava from class 7B and stand group. Now.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Diksha Srivastava from class 7B. My group name is Einstein. I am going to deliver a speech on English Language Day. English Language Day is celebrated each year on 23 April. Many people consider English as the unofficial world language because it is so widely used. English is the main language of business and aviation. It is the most widely used language. It is the most widely used language on the internet and social media. The first English language was the result of work by the United Nations. A few years ago, the UNS Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization created English Day for each of the UNSC's official languages. The aim was to celebrate language days. The other 5 languages are Arabic, Spanish, French, Russian, and thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Palvi Rai from class 7B and my group name is Einstein, and I am going to deliver on a speech on English Language Day. English Language Day is celebrated on 23 April in every year. English Day is the language of international communication. English is so important because it is official language in 53 countries is speak in the world 4 million worldwide, and most parents send their English medium school for the best education. English increase your chances of getting good job, and that's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anupriya from class 7B. My group name is Mother Teresa. Today I am going to deliver a speech on English Language Day. Every year we celebrate English Language Day on 23rd April. William Shakespeare is one of the most greatest English writers. The English language is a global language for communication. It's about 104 countries have people that can converse in English. The variant English language we speak today is called modern English. This language has more than 150 accents. We use English language and international communication, news, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aksharani from class 6A. I want to say something about English language. And the group name is Mother Teresa. English Language Day is celebrated each year on 23 April. William Shakespeare is the father of English. The United Nations celebrated its first on 23 April 2010. Many people consider English as the universal word and a language because it is so widely used. It is a main language of business and aviation, and it is an international language that is spoken all over the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Saqib Hassan from class 7B. My group name is APJ Abdul Kalam. Today is English Language Day, so I am going to deliver my speech. English Language Day is celebrated each year on April 23. The dates when tradition says William Shakespeare was born. Shakespeare has been called the greatest writer in the English language. His plays continue to be published, performed in theatres, seen in films almost 400 years after his death. English language is the main language of business and aviation. It is most used on the United Nations Organization celebrate its first English Language Day on April 23rd, 2010. That day, a number of events were held at United Nations headquarters in New York City. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jyoti Kumari from class 6A. Today I am here to present a speech on English Language Day and my group name is Vikrant. As we know that English is an international language that is spoken all over the world and today's English Day is so when we go in a country or a state then we use our mother language, so this is not possible to understand by each person. So we have learned to English so to speak any person in any state or any country. Thank you very much.
Good morning everybody. My name is Pragati Singh from class 7B. My group name is Chanakya. Today is English Language Day. So on this occasion, I want to deliver a few lines about English Language Day. English Language Day is celebrated on each year 23rd April, the day when traditions say William Shakespeare was born. William Shakespeare was a greatest writer in English language. English is a very important language. English used everywhere. English is the global language. English is the main language of business and aviation. English is most used language of event the tradition the day on the day. That's all. Thank you.
Hi to all of you, my name is Shivam. I am from class 7B and my group name is Einstein. Today I am going to discuss about the topic English Language Day. English Language Day is celebrated across the world on 23rd April on the birthday of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was a brilliant playwright and was also known as the national poet of England. English is the most important language of the world. English is spoken by 9.83 billion people in the world. English is the global language for using communication with other peoples across the world. English also helps in business interviews. It increases our standards in front of people. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Sarvesh Kumar from class 7B. My group name is Vikrant. I am going to deliver a short speech on Language Day. Language Day is celebrated on the occasion of Birth University and Death University of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is a poet of English and he writes many poems. And he has also won the National Poet of England and also won Bard of the World. English is the international language spoken over the world. We use English to interact with foreigners and business. Thank you, that's all.
Good morning, myself Akriti from class 7th A. Today I am going to deliver a speech on English Language Day. English Language Day is celebrated 23 April each and every year. This aim is to celebrate multi-cultural culture and diversity. Too. William Shakespeare is the great and drama artist. He was a great poet of the England. He was greatest speakers of English. English is the most important language. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning to all. I am Lucky Kumari of class 7A. As you know, today is 23rd April, means English Language Day. So I am here to deliver a speech on it. English Language Day is celebrated each year on 23rd April, the date when tradition says William Shakespeare was born. William Shakespeare has been called the greatest writer in English language. His plays continue to be published, performed in theatres and seen 400 years after his death. We celebrate English Language Day as various engaging, fun-filled activities like quizzes, recitation, book reading to celebrate this event. English is an international language, so we should know English to speak. All over countries, at least 53 countries, English language is spoken. So I request to all that try to speak English Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Nisha from class 7th A and my group is Newton. Today is language day and I am stand here to say some short speech on it. Today is 23 April and you know very well today is language day and also birthday, died day and anniversary of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is born on 23 April 1564 and died on 23 April 1660. His 400th anniversary on 23 April 2016. He was a great speaker and actor. Language is very important for us because without language we can't talk to each other and without talking we can't do any work. English is our international language but many people can't speak English because they not know Hindi meaning of English word and English meaning of Hindi word. So please try to speak English because English is our international language. Thank you.
A very good morning to all. Myself Ruchika from class 7th and my group name is APJ Abdul Kalam. Today I would like to present a speech on English Language Day. English Language Day annually on 23rd April. This day was first celebrated in the year of 2010. English Language Day is marked the occasion of William Shakespeare's birth anniversary as well as his death anniversary. This day was established by William Shakespeare.
To all, myself Priyanshi from class 7 and I am from Chanakya Group. Today I want to deliver a speech on English Language Day. English Language Day is celebrated on 23rd April every year as it remarks the death anniversary of William Shakespeare as well as his birth anniversary. English Language Day is chosen because it is thought to be a very special